Alright class, today we're going to be constructing an inscribed square inside of a circle. So, after going to Geogebra, what we're going to do is we're going to start by just placing a point, point A. Then we're going to pick another point, so point B. And then we're going to go over to the circle with a little dot in it. It might have any one of these pictures on it, but what we want is circle with center through a point. So with that, we just follow these directions where we click on the center, which our center is going to be A, and then we click on B, which is going to be a point on our circle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to choose a line, and we're going to choose 2 points, so a point on our circle and the center. Now the reason why we're doing this is so that we can get a diameter of the circle going through the center. So then we are going to go here to where we made our point, and then we're going to click the intersect button. And for this, we're going to click on the circle and on the line, and that'll bring up point D. Point C is also up here, but that's just because B and C are the same thing. So now we know 2 points on our circle that are directly across from each other. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back up here, circle the center through a point, click on point B, and then click on D, and then do the same with D as the center, and then B. So right now we kind of have this eye shape in the middle. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to find out where these 2 circles intersect. So we're going to click on this, click on both the circles to find where they intersect, and then just like we did with point B and A, we're going to draw a line with point F and point E. Now this is kind of cutting the eye directly in half, and as you can see, it's also going straight through the center, and it's intersecting the circle at 2 points. So we're going to find out where the circle and this new line intersect. So now we have 4 points around our circle. So to construct our square, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to where we made the line, we're going to click on segment, and then we're going to connect all the different points on our circle. Now this looks like a square, but just to be sure, we can go up to this tab, and it might have any of these pictures again, but what we want is distance or length. So now we're going to click on point B and point H, and see how it brings up BH is equal to 3.92. So that's telling the distance from point B to point H, and we're going to do that for all these different sides just to make sure that they're all equal to each other. And another way of checking to see that this is a square is by checking the angles of the shape we've created inside of our circle A, which is this circle right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to where we found the distance or length. We're going to click on the angle button, and we're going to click on point D, G, and B. And as you can see, we created a right angle. So we're also going to check point G, B, H. We'll create another right angle, and then B, H, D. So since these are all right angles, we can naturally assume that H, D, and G is a right angle. So that is how you can use GeoGebra to form an inscribed square, which means that all the vertices touch points of the circle that it's inside. So I hope you enjoyed this.